crap today. Still nice to be out. It might come right, you never know. It's not a bad piece of territory, is it? So I do want to get back to Scotland, but if I don't get back to Scotland, you know, it's not a zero-sum game. I have this place to play. It doesn't cost me anything. So we'll see what happens this winter. I'm in the Scout dinghy, which is 2 foot longer than the normal one, the little Sweet Pea. So it's quite capacious. Sails really well, beautifully. I made this marvellous mast step. Look at that. Look at that. That is the work of a design genius. The bottom bit's designed to be removed, so you can take these. This is what braces it all together. You can take these out, and then the whole lot will come out. So that's the final bracing member, and then there's a mast step up here. So all I have to do is to plonk the Optimist rig in that hole, and away we go. Easiest one I've had for ages. Very comfortable boat compared to the other one. It's just heavy to pull up and down the hill. Feel this oar a little bit. You can see there they're kind of giving up on the seawall, which is a good thing. Let it go. I could sail up there then. Be great. Seabirds could go up there, benefit everybody but a few cows. Not sure I can get through here. I might do. Okay, yeah. Come on. That's it. Cool. Jibing, yeah. I really love this little Optimist rig. I mean, it's like a little gaff rig is what it is. It's, you know, I mean, it's a kind of half a sprit and half a gaff. It just makes the best use of the minimum in decent materials, and really the way that's cut doesn't make any difference. It just fills beautifully. I mean, you get a flappy edge, but so what? I do have a batten in there, but the batten stops you from folding the sail away very easily, so I'm living without the batten. I don't care. Sailing can be such a subtle thing. And other times it can be quite brutal. But there are moments when it's just sublime. Ooh. Sudden gust hit us off the trees. Lovely. Whoa. What a place to live, eh? Hello. Better than the weatherman said it was going to be, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. It is very peaceful, though. That's true. You know, I have a bigger boat, but this one's much more fun.
You probably wouldn't get the sails with a bigger boat, would you?
I'd still try to get as close to the edge as I can. So when I say a bigger boat, it's only just still can't stand up in it. So it's not a big boat. See you. The egrets reign supreme here. I'm going to drop the sail and row. Okay, now I've gone through this little hole and the ebb tide is now underneath me, so it's swooshing me out. I'm also using myself as a sail. Every now and again I need to give the bank a poke. So here's the gap in the seawall. I'm just about to get slooshed through it. I hope. Okay, let's not call the word sloosh then, but drift through it. Oh no, it's taking control now. I think I'm going to bump into the bank. Oh no, bow's coming round. We missed. Something moved there. The fish are hunting through here. They're swimming beneath some quite big ones in this corner. They're swimming through the greenery. So it's like a kind of jungle. It's like an underwater jungle, only about 3 feet high, and the top predators are the fish going through here. You can see there's a lot of activity going on. There's a little shoal of them coming towards me now, I think. You can hear it more than see it. There's just the odd splish and splosh across the surface here. I hope you can hear it. Oh, they're jumping over there. Okay, I'm going to try and sneak up on them. If you told me there were 200 fish here, I'd believe you. So here obviously they feel quite secure from the birds. I suppose the birds don't want to dive into the weeds. Well, lovely. I rather like this boat. It's got a very optimistic name, and I take the message to heart when it comes to thinking about Scotland. Try again. I aim to do that. Meantime, jolly nice day to be on the river. The light has come right. I'm now steering just with weight. If the boat's going fast enough, then it's got enough directional stability that you can steer quite well up to windward. A little bit, not much. I mean, you're only doing just above a reach.